I'm going to let Simone introduce herself to you. This is the first time for me to have her on my channel. I'm super excited that she's here. So, Simone, tell everyone who you are and what you do, and you guys should know this if you follow me.
Yes. Thanks, Wendy. I think you might be my number one client when I first opened 7 years ago.
Oh, God, yeah. That long. That's where I can get the routines now.
Hi, everybody. I'm Simone. I started Body by Simone 7 years ago. I have a studio in New York, 2 in Los Angeles, and I'm about to open one in London.
Yay! I've been waiting for that.
So excited about. So I also have an app. I have a book. I have 5 DVDs. I have a athletic line. And I'm about to have a baby.
Yay!
So lots of things happening in my life at the moment.
So tell me about the app. What is the app?
So I obviously, like you, work with a lot of celebrities, and it's difficult to always be on set and to be everywhere at once.
Yeah.
So I wanted to create a platform, a fitness app, so you can choose to customize your own workout. So you could work out one day and say, oh, I want to do upper body and I've got 20 minutes. So you can add that into the app.
Yeah.
And then you can do the workout, or you can actually, this is the cool feature, you can stream from a live class.
Okay.
So if you want to feel a part of the BBS experience, you can actually do a live class that I would be teaching, one of my instructors would be teaching. And then there's a nutrition element. You can track your progress with your photos and measurements. Amazing. And so it's really like a one-stop shop that you can get the in-studio experience.
So there's no getting out of it, because there's always a good excuse. I've done that before. Like, I can't find my keys. I'm never going to get there in time.
It's all on your phone, and you know what? We're a nation now that just carries our phone everywhere.
No excuses. Simone had done Revenge Body, which I loved, which was a US series hosted by Khloe Kardashian. And tell us a bit about that.
So I just finished filming season 3.
Oh my God, already?
Stay tuned for that. That will be coming out later this year. But it was a wonderful opportunity for me to work with people that really needed the tools and the knowledge about weight loss. So rather than working with a celebrity, for a film role, this is like someone who was 360 pounds and thought that, a safe way of eating food or a healthy way of eating food was eating a salad from McDonald's. So it's like teaching people the skills and the knowledge about how to eat well, how to exercise, and how to put yourself first and take care of yourself and make healthy lifestyle choices so that it's not a quick fix or a quick fad. So the first year, I had 2 female contestants, and one of mine lost 60 pounds, which it wasn't a competition.
But there's other people that there are other types of workout. So, of course, Simone's was a dance cardio workout, but it's just not dance. It's other stuff as well. It's working with your body weight bands and stuff like that. So it's not just dance, and some ballets, good posture and stuff like that. I know, because I go all the time. I love it because it makes me feel happy and I don't think about anything else. There's other people that do like a boot camp workout and other types of workout. And really, I know you say it's not a competition, but I was always rooting for her to win. Because I think the nicest way to kind of lose weight or get your body in shape or get the body that you want is it to be quite happy and not grueling.
Yeah. The reason that I loved the show is because I think before people thought that, dance cardio was just women dancing around just for the fun of it, which we are. However, the exercise is also extremely effective and you can lose weight by doing dance as your cardio. So all the other trainers were having their contestants throw tires and run up hills.
It's quite hard.
Which is also very difficult and also very effective. However, I got to show that, you can do dance, trampoline or jump rope. And that you can use that as your cardio element and lose weight. So it was a wonderful opportunity for dance to be considered a serious form of fitness. And now 3 years in, we're
opening in London. What I wanted to talk about today with Simone was, I know lots of people like to wear makeup when they're working out. I don't say that you shouldn't do that, whatever feels right for you. So today I'm going to do a workout makeup that everybody could wear on Simone. This is what you could look like when you work out. Should we get going? Let's go.
Let's do it.
This is a makeup look with staying power. I've already applied a waterproof mascara, so no droppage or no mistakes. I'm using a stick eyeshadow right close to the lash line. And then I'm going to use this DEMPSEY. This is a sheer lid tint. This is really quite translucent. It will just emphasise the eyes, blend up to the socket line. It just makes the eyes pop. I would use a BB cream, apply it like you would a moisturiser, work it into the skin, and then conceal if there's any little redness under the eyes, maybe around the nose. I like to use like a matte concealer. It's a bit more heavier coverage, just to even out the complexion, but keep it minimal. It needs to look natural, and you don't want to suffocate the skin when working out. With the eyes, I just define it slightly with an eye pencil using a dry brush. Just push it into the lash line. This will just help the eyes just pop out, but without too much makeup, so it won't move. Add a little bit of blush. I like these gel blush sticks from MAXFACTOR. And then just blend it in. They're very light and see-through. Now you can define the eyebrows. Always apply the direction of the hair. Simone's blonde, so you know, you girls who like to have a little bit more of an eyebrow, I don't because I'm dark. So if it's okay for you and you have dark eyebrows, just skip that. Just set everything with a little bit of blurring powder. I love this, it's very sheer. And then to finish, just add a little bit of a lip stain. This is my look, and this is what I like. Do you like the look?
I love it.
Yeah.
I don't need to work out now.
I know, she looks amazing. So listen, guys, I'm going to be heading down to the Body by Simone new studio, or actually, I maybe download the app, so no excuses. You know? So thanks for coming, Simone.
Thank you for having me.
I'm going to see you really soon. Any comments, write in. See you soon.
Bye.